Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So hope you're all doing well and really keeping safe. If you're seeing me for the first time, I am Anjali and you're watching Ashes Heaven. Hope you guys have watched my recent video on my affordable lip balms for dry skin. So hope you have watched that. If not, I'll give it in the iCard above. You can just watch that, and if yours is a dry skin, then you can purchase those lip balms which I have suggested. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm just going to review and give my quick suggestions on two best moisturizers that is available currently in the market. One is from Pond's and the other one is from Nivea. So both of these moisturizers I have been using recently, and I have observed a little bit about these two these two moisturizers, and I think now I am in a stage to share the feedback to you guys. So whoever is looking for a best moisturizers can definitely watch this video, and by the end of this video you will be able to know which moisturizer suits to your skin. So without much late, let's go. So as you can see, I have two moisturizers with me. One is from Pond's and the other one is from Nivea. So let's quickly see which one is the best, which and which type can use this. Which one is best for which skin type and all of that. I'll just quickly talk about the pros and cons of Nivea moisturizer. So as you can see, this is a very small packaging. I mean to say, I have purchased 80 grams or so, 48 grams package, and because my skin is mostly oily and it is more towards acne and pimples will be quickly coming on my skin if I try any of the new products on my skin. So what I thought is I'll just take a small quantity and then I'll just apply it. That I purchased this 48 grams packaging, and this is under the fruit flavored. In Nivea moisturizers range, you have multiple variants available. So you have in the normals, that blue colored tin which you find, that is a normal day-to-day cream which you can apply for all the men and women. Everyone can apply that. That is a very basic moisturizer, or you can even call it as a cold cream or moisturizer or whatever you feel like, because that is since ages and people are really loving it. So there is no difference between men and women. Both of the categories can use that. So that is basically used also as a body butter, and since years we are using that. So after that, Nivea has launched various variants in that range, and one of this is this fruit flavored moisturizer which is currently available in the market. So you have multiple variants available in this as well. So out of which I choose is this berry blossom. I definitely want to tell about this is this keeps your skin highly hydrated if you are applying in the extreme cold, or if your skin is extremely dry, then you can definitely use this moisturizer on your skin, guys, because it really worked on my skin during the winters, because in winters our skin will be totally dried, and then when I was looking for a very good moisturizer or a cold cream, this was a this worked very well on my skin, guys. So usually what you will have a problem of dried lips, and hands and legs will also be dried. So in that condition I was applying this, and this was moisturizing and hydrating my skin for so long, guys. So in that way this is a very good deal. And if you're looking for very other variants, if you're not towards a fruit variant, if you're not liking the fragrance or the smell of a fruit flavored variant, then you can also have multiple options. So if you once you check the variants available, you can choose the better one which you feel like using. And the other thing that I would like to say about this is, if you open this, it will be like this. So there is an aluminium foil. This is covered with a paper wrap like this. So after that, if you open, so this is the packaging. As you can see, I have already completed using half of the cream, because I applied as a body butter, because I don't feel like applying it on my face, because as you know, my skin is oily and acne prone. So when I started applying this is more oily like consistency, because my skin is oily, and if I am applying this again, I am giving added oil on my skin, and because of that I was having some pimples on my skin. But other than that, if yours is a dried skin or a normal skin, then you can definitely go for this, because this suits your skin so good, guys, because this is a good source for hydration of your skin. So now let's quickly check the consistency and how it blends with your skin. So as you can see, this is the, hope it is visible. So as you can see, this is the product. So I'll just take it on my hand. So as you can see, this is the consistency. So this is quite sticky like this, but not too much. So I'll just show you on my applying it on my hand. So if you apply it, so this is how it looks once you blend it on your skin. So this is a little bit sticky, because as I've told you, this is not suitable for oily skin because oily base on your skin once you apply. As you can see in the light, if you see, there is a little bit of greasy texture on my skin. So as I have suggested, this is best during winters. Little bit greasy kind of a texture, not completely jelly kind of a texture. And also the other thing that I would like to say is this takes few minutes to get dried up or absorbed into your skin, guys, and even after absorption it leaves an oily shade on your skin, so it feels like you have applied something on your skin. So it does not absorb completely, and it does not give a matte finish, or it doesn't dry quickly. It will not be dried up. So let me tell you guys, this is only my experience because I also have an oily skin, and this is completely genuine review of what I felt after using this Nivea. But sometimes what happens is it may also work out with some other oily skin type people. If it is working with your skin, that is really good. You can definitely use that. There is no objection in that. But in my case, as I am more towards this oily skin and pimples will be very often on my skin, so I don't want to apply it frequently, because instead of applying it on my face, I apply it on my hands, palms and legs to keep my skin moisturized. So for other skin types, if you are interested and you are looking for a budget friendly moisturizer, and then you can definitely use this as a moisturizer as well, because it retails for around 80 rupees. So this is 45 ml 45 grams packaging, and if you also have other sizes as well, like to rate on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it 6 points, because this is comparatively the product is little bit sticky and a little bit thick. It is not that light gel kind of a thing. This is a little bit thicker consistency. The consistency is so thick that I didn't feel like applying it on my face, because I felt it was completely heavy on my skin. So yeah, and if anyone who are interested in purchasing this moisturizer, and if you would like to apply it during winters, or if yours is an extremely dry skin, then you can definitely go for this. This will be a great option for the people who are having dry skin, but not for oily skin type, is what my opinion, guys. So now let's talk about Pond's Light Moisturizer. As you can see, this is the packaging, and this is a very new launch from Pond's. So this is a very new launch from Pond's. So I think they have launched two moisturizers like this. So this is light moisturizer, and the other one is in the sky blue packaging. That is a gel moisturizer. Okay, so what I did is I have purchased this light moisturizer to see how this works on my these two are the main ingredients in this moisturizer, which is vitamin E and glycerin. And the packaging is so sturdy and it is so travel friendly. I liked it, guys. So I really like this color, kind of a couple color. I really liked it, and I am really in love with this packaging as well, because you can easily travel this, and it is travel friendly. It fits easily in our bags. So yeah, in that case it is so good. This is really suiting my skin. So currently I've been using this as a moisturizer, so day and night as well. So before application of makeup or foundation, even then I applied, and even after having a shower, even then I applied. So on the days when I don't feel like applying makeup, I just apply this moisturizer and I'll be so happy, and my skin also feels so hydrated and glowing all the day. So as they claim, this is a light moisturizer. The formula is so light and it is not thicker or heavy when compared with Nivea. So in this case, this formula is so super light, guys. So it quickly dries up, and once you apply it on your skin, it quickly dries up, and it doesn't give a heavy feel on your skin. So it just gives a light feel. It feels like as if you have applied nothing on your face, and it also doesn't give any greasy or a sticky feel on your skin. Even now I have only applied this moisturizer on my face, and I have applied some lipstick, and I have put on some kajal. That's all, guys. I did not apply any foundation or anything like that. So this is very good for your daily purpose. So this is under this costed me around 120 rupees, and this weight is 75 ml. So this is for 120 rupees. You also have a smaller packaging also available, and you also have very bigger packages also available. So this is what I choose. So let's quickly open and see how it looks. So once you open this, it is like this. Even here you have an aluminum foil which is secured, and I have opened it here and I have been using. So as you can see, I have been using from this side. So This is just superb, guys. This has a very soothing smell which really keeps you towards, has a very mild and a wonderful smell which keeps you refreshed all the day. So now let's quickly look about the consistency. So as you can see, this is like this. This is a water based consistency. So if you see this, so hope it is visible. So if you see this, once you rub it between your palms, this is very light when compared to the earlier one. Earlier one was a bit thicker and the consistency was so thicker. So once you see this, this is so light, guys. This is so light. As you can see, this looks like a gel. You took some gel on your hand, and if you apply it on your skin, it is quickly drying, guys. It dries up so quickly. It leaves like a watery finish and it quickly dries. So that was the consistency, which is a really soft and very light consistency. It doesn't, give that greasy effect or sticky effect once you apply it, and it easily blends on your skin, and it gets easily a great advantage of using this moisturizer. Usually moisturizer shouldn't have that heavy feel, right? So this has a superb formula so that it absorbs and dries up quickly, so which is just superb, guys. So this, even you can use this as a base for foundation or makeup. So I usually use this as a face moisturizer before I apply a foundation, or even I simply apply it and leave it on my skin just like that to keep my skin hydrated as well. This is suitable for all the skin types is what I believe, because this is super hydrated, and this is a very good formula for every skin type. So this also oily skin type people can also definitely try this out. So me being an oily skin type girl, I definitely love using this moisturizer because it is quickly dried and it doesn't mess up my skin as Nivea does. So I'm so happy using this moisturizer, and I would highly recommend people who are having oily skin also can definitely try this out. So this is very good in terms of hydration and moisturization. So this is just a superb deal, and I would give a big thumbs up to this product. So I am yet to try out that gel based moisturizer, which is the other variant that is available in the market. So soon or later I'll just purchase that and I'll just try it on my skin. I'll also share a review about that as well. So yeah, this is much about my Pond's moisturizer. And if any one of you are looking for, with an oily skin, if you're trying to purchase a best moisturizer in the market currently, I would say Pond's moisturizer is the best one if you are looking out for an affordable moisturizer. Other than that, you also have multiple moisturizers under the different price ranges, but this is for the beginner or a teenager or anyone who is looking for a very budget friendly and at the same time a very good moisturizer. Then you can try this Pond's moisturizer, which is a very good moisturizer. So that was all about my review about Pond's and Nivea moisturizers. So considering your skin type and how you want to feel your skin, you can select which moisturizer you want to purchase. So both the moisturizers are very good in terms of its performance, and here or more or less the formula differs, and according to that the performance also differs. But other than that, both of these are hydrating and moisturizing. But sometimes Nivea will not suit to for all the skin types, but at the same time Pond's will also suit for all the skin types. So you can select according to your convenience, and you can purchase any of these two moisturizers because both are best. And yeah, hope you have liked my video and content. If you're liking my video, please like, share and subscribe. So see you soon in other video. Till then, bye and take care.